What's yours? Select your uniform to start the customization.
Gonna try some Madden Ultimate Team here.
Will be taking players from all over the league, past and now that you have a uniform.
Last year I went with the long pass.
Once selected, you will receive players that will support the selected style. As you open packs
and the pass rush eventually.
You can change your style to better reflect your lineup.
Might as well just do the same thing.
Your
Creature of habit.
These players increase your selected style, but only if they're in your lineup. With the long pass style, your offensive.
All right, we know all about styles.
To give your quarterback time to find the receiver who has a better chance of being open and beating man coverage.
Okay. Best we got here was a 70. See if we've got any other packs to start off with this year.
Every time you enter Ultimate Team, you will be dropped off on the live hub. This will keep you up to date with new solo challenges.
Similar to last year.
Special offers in the store. Select the objectives. Objectives will give you the tools to collect, upgrade, and dominate in Madden Ultimate.
Another achievement. Love it. All right. Let's get this welcome pack going. What if we pulled an elite right off the bat here? How unbelievable would that be to start the year? Right. Let's see where we land on after we do a best lineup here. Jumped us up to a 66 with all of these incomplete players. All right.